What's up? What's up? What's up? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Cryptechology. Today, we're gonna go over some chart analysis, some TA, and a couple of things you can look into while you go down your crypto journey. My name is Simon. I'm the host of Cryptechology and the founder of PSB Advanced Technology. We are a blockchain mining and educational company here to help you enhance your future self. So today we're gonna go over a little bit of TA on the Litecoin Tether pair. We're gonna go check out the Learn Web3 DAO, and for anyone that's interested in development, we're gonna check out some of the portfolios and how you can use token metrics for fundamental research as well as technical research. And lastly, we're going to let you know how you can secure your crypto by using one of the best hardware wallets on the market, the SafePal wallet. So, stay tuned. We're going to get into it. I'm going to help you to level up. If anybody's been watching this channel, man, wow, kudos to you, because I know you definitely saw the swing opportunity I've been sharing with all of you guys these last few weeks. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor. I am not a professional. Please do not use this information as financial advice, okay? This is solely and only for educational and entertainment purposes only. Edutainment. Edutainment? Edutainment. Edutainment. Look, yo, don't come at me when you lose all your money and you lose all your crypto because you went all in and you didn't do any due diligence. Okay? So, that's enough of that. Alright? Don't forget, head on over to YouTube and like and subscribe to the channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, that's awesome. If you're watching it on YouTube, it's probably the only place I uploaded the video. No, it'll probably be on Rumble as well. Rumble, yeah. All right. So before we go into the the meat of things, just gonna let you guys know quickly, if you're interested in becoming a Web3 developer, I'd highly recommend these two boot camps. Actually, I got more than one boot camp, but one of the few places that I will say was super helpful, and would totally recommend to anybody else that's looking to help improve their Web3 skill sets. Number one, Julian from Eat the Blocks. All right, Julian is really solid mentor, teacher. He's from, I believe, from the UK, EU area, and he does a great job at explaining Web3. Uses a teachable, platform basically to provide these courses for you. Okay, so really great course and boot camp. Also, DAP University. DAP University was the second. I started with Eat the Blocks first, and then actually I believe we started at the same time. I can't remember, but either way, I went through the blockchain developer boot camp. I'm continually going through the blockchain master university. So this is basically just a university, and every week, like, we just upload more and more classes. Staying current with the ecosystem, and this blockchain bootcamp 2.0 is an update to smart contracts and coding out the capstone project, which is a decentralized exchange. All right, so really great content as well. Also, now those were all paid. All right, but now, so this is an opportunity for those um for free. Okay, this is the Learn Web3. It's the Learn Web3 DAO. It looks like they're hiring as well, which is awesome. So you can put your put a application in, put your and see what happens. You never know. But if anyone's as interested in learn Web3 DAO and working for them, okay, so they have some opportunities there. But from the developer's perspective, when you start learning, okay, everyone starts off, and the goal is to complete the 4 progression tracks here: freshman, sophomore, junior, senior. And each one gets a little bit deeper and deeper and deeper into the necessary information and the necessary skill sets required in successfully coding out your own decentralized application, also known as a DApp, okay? And coding out smart contracts and a slew of other things as well, how to interact with the blockchain, okay? And how to deploy your own decentralized application, how to interact with the blockchain, how to interact with Wallet Connect, so you can use like MetaMask wallet to connect to the Ethereum blockchain or Polygon. And the cool thing about this is that they have various test nets available, so you don't need to use real crypto. You can use test tokens so you can pay for the transactional fees, so you can test out your applications and smart contracts. All right, so that is that. Now, so yeah, if you're interested in that, also if you're interested in learning more about mining, okay, so if you want to learn more about mining right now, so I would really take a look at pro hashing. All right, so pro hashing is a pool. Okay, pro hashing is a pool, a crypto mining pool that you can trust. Okay, so become a pro hashing member and join the secure and profitable mining pool. So this is good for anyone that's want to look into mining. You're mining in the basement, you're mining your house, or even if you're mining officially as a business under an LLC. This is a really great pool. Not only it's useful in the fact that if you are an LLC, okay, you can set your LLC and provide them the necessary documentation so they can keep tabs of the transactions for you, and then they can send you that report that you can use for tax purposes at the end of the year, making it super easy to keep track of everything. But not only is that available to you, this is also available to anyone else as well. If you don't have a pool, the cool thing about blockchain is that it's open source, and then anyone really should be able to access the transactions, all right, on the blockchain. But this pool does it in a format that's ready, and just very, very user friendly. Totally would recommend pro hashing. Now, so when it comes to mining, all right, so some websites people like to go to, so let's say crypto mining. So this is a not what I wanted to go to. Sorry about that. So Compass Mining, all right. So Compass Mining is another middleman verified facilities here. You can see they have different areas throughout the U.S. and Canada, and these are various mining farms and locations. And I believe if you wanted to, you can either rent space at one of their facilities. You can even rent the ASICs. So basically, if you didn't have your own facility, but you still had the capital, you can kind of rent out their space and borrow the equipment. But I don't really recommend that, but it is an option available. Okay, so these are the current featured ASICs right now that's in the market. It's really making a lot of noise. Okay, so people are still using Bitmain. All right, they're making a name for themselves, and there's a few other miners ASICs actually available that's providing an opportunity for new people to get into it. And Bitcoin, you know, is a reach for a lot of new people. Bitcoin mining is quite expensive, and so is the equipment and the upkeep. However, you see, the cool thing about decentralization and blockchain technology is that there are opportunities for people to support new projects, new protocols. And this one, actually, that I kind of mine myself for the script algorithm is not new at all, but it's actually an OG, but just kind of been, on the back burner for quite some time. And Litecoin, you know, uses the the script algorithm. But see, the Antminer L7, all right, made by Bitmain, is a script ASIC miner, and this mining machine has a maximum hash rate of 8,800, all right, for power consumption about 3170 watts, and it's a popular choice for Doge and Litecoin miners, all right. So it's showing that this is a second-hand condition miner. This is the hosting fee for it, and this is the current price, 11,450. Um, it's that's pretty high. These numbers are not easily accessible for a lot of people, but there are other equipment that people can look into. Okay, and some of those, all right, so like for example, if we went to the so Gold Shell, I believe makes a Doge. Let me see. Let's see if we can pull up the mini Doge. All right. All right. So this is the mini Doge. Okay. So this is um it is a script algorithm ASIC miner that has about 185. All right. For the maximum hash rate, it uses about 233 watts, and but you can see the profit margin for it's actually in the negative. It's quite low. It's not looking too good. But that could change, all right? Because the thing about mining and the thing about ASICs is that you don't mine for profitability today. You mine for profitability in the future with the strategy that the current asset, token, whatever it is that you are investing your capital in, will appreciate over time, will increase in value over time. So whatever that you're mining today, the goal is to keep it and hold on to it, to be able to, and then, transact with that at a later date, or maybe not even, and to hold on to it, increase your net worth, and see if it gets to the current levels as other tokens out there, and you borrow against it. But either way, there's opportunity here, and you can get involved with that. All right, and that's what ASIC. So those are the three ways really you can get involved when it comes to this space, whether it's trading, okay, whether it's mining, or whether you want to say, hey, I'm gonna take a little break, but I'm gonna check out this development side of things and see how I can code up my own NFT marketplace. So those are the different ways that you can enter into this space. But wherever you are in this space, there's one thing that's most important. And the most important thing is to secure your hardware, secure your Bitcoin, secure your Litecoin, secure your tokens, and to remember, not your keys, not your coin. All right. So if you head on over to my YouTube page, there's a link right here you can click on. You can click on any one of these sites here. That brings you to the YouTube page, so we don't need that. But if you click on the other link, this one brings you to my webpage. Yes, I want to leave YouTube. Thank you. And you can see this explains a little bit more detail about my skill sets, what I've been doing in this space, and also in technology. And you can click on any of these boxes here, and I'll route you directly to my affiliate page. I am an official affiliate partner with SafePal, just so you are completely aware. I use the SafePal wallet on my own every single day. I've ordered this for my family, and I highly recommend it for you as well. This is definitely not the only hardware wallet available to you in the market. There are other hardware wallets available, like Ledger and the Trezor. However, just from using the various types of hardware wallets out there, I felt that the SafePal best suited my own skill sets, my own needs, and was just really easy for me to just adapt to it and start using this hardware wallet. So thank you for watching. This video is super short, a lot shorter than my normal ones. I'm getting better at doing all of this. Continue to support the channel. It's really, really, I really appreciate it. I really appreciate all of you that have continued to stuck by and followed my journey. I hope your journey is going just as good as mine. And if you're looking to continue to enhance your future self, follow along, hit that subscribe, hit that bell, and let people know about this channel. It's a little bit of a creep channel, you know what I mean? You're not gonna know when you're gonna get some gems. Sometimes you might get some bullshit, sometimes you might get some gems, but either way you're gonna walk away with some entertainment. My name is Simon. I'll catch you on the next one. Much love.